So for the ping pong launcher measurement and calculations, you these variables x, y, t, vy0, y, x0, and v0. So these are the calculations. So x I put was how far the ping pong traveled. So how this far, and I said it was about 4.04 meters. So 4.04 meters. YO I put was the kind of like the starting point for my as for my launcher, which I put was 0.14 centimeters, or 14 centimeters, sorry. Time is how long it took the launcher to go from the starting point to the end point, which I put was 0.7 seconds. 0.7 seconds. So then now I have to find my calculated variables. So then we have to start with the kinematic equation. X equals x0 plus vx0 t plus 1/2 of axt2. So then you gotta simplify. So x, so take that, and then you get x minus x0 plus, plus vot, and then you do x minus x0, and then you put t under that, so you put it over t, and then it equals x equals x0t, which would be vx0. So it's only to find vx0, we need to put x0, which was the starting point, against 0, and then we have to put it over time. So it would be 4.04 minus 0 over 0.7, which would put vx0 to 5.72 meters. Meters per second. So then we have to start with the kinematic equation. Y equals y0 plus vy0t plus 1/2 to a by t plus, and then we have to derive the equation of g and t. So then we have to go y equals, and then simplify, and then you get x0 plus 1/2 t xt x2 plus vx0 of t. So then you'll get vx 1/2 plus vx, and then for g, you put g as a negative g, which would be 0.08 because of the half. So then to solve vx0, hold on, I forgot to put on my calculations for 0.572 meters per second. So then you have to plug it in. So it would be 0.14 meters, and then you put 1/2 2 equals minus g. It's 0.7, and then you put that over 7 to get 2.70. So that's 2.70 meters per second. So next we got to find MO, and we have to use the Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem. So then with the little space that we have, I'm sure we can make some of it. We have to calculate the initial velocity v0 from vx0 and xy0. We have to show the equation. So we just put basically what we got, so 2.7, and then we square it, plus 5.72 squared, which would equal about 40.0089, and then we square that, and then we get 6.32 meters per second, which would be 0.32 meters per second, which would be basically, that would be the initial velocity. So 0.32 seconds. And yeah, that's how I found my equation on my ping pong launcher.